How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the perfect player IPTV app for your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So without any further ado, the first step you need to take is get the app called Downloader. So to do so, you need to go to search on your Firestick, and in the search bar, let's start typing Downloader, just like that. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's click on it. And now that is the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV stick. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader on your Fire Stick, you need to go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You have to open it. And in here you need to turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that is exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV, open it, and now when it loads, here you'll see Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Argentina right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. And now we head straight back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick device. Here it is, let's open it. Wait a bit. And now go to Downloader, finally. Yep, so open up Downloader, and now here in the search bar we'll have to enter a code, which will be 929878. So once again, 929878. Click on Go and wait until the download of the app starts for you. And while we're waiting, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And yep, now the download has started, so just wait a bit until the app gets downloaded to your Fire TV stick device. And then you'll have to click on Install and wait a bit until the app is installed to your Fire TV stick. After that, don't click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from our Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, let's open it up, and here's the perfect player. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And in here, to set up the app, you have to click on that gear icon to go to the settings, then go to general, and from here click on playlist, and there select the type, either M3U or extreme codes. So select, if you use M3U link, you click here, enter the link which was given to you by your live TV provider, click on next, and then click on OK. Alternatively, you can use extreme code, and then you would also need to enter the link here for your live TV playlist. So that's how you get perfect player to your Firestick, as well as how to set it up. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.